What's wrong?
Everything is wrong!
Nope. No. No! I've been licking my Cap'n Fizzy Rigid Frigid Ice Pop all morning and I can't get my brain to freeze.
Maybe it's because you need a brain to get brain freeze.
This is no time to talk geography. This is an emergency. Nothing.
Maybe you're just not doing it right. Huh. Howie's right. I can't freeze my brain either. These ice pops seem kind of saggy.
We can't get brain freeze from floppy pops.
Something must be wrong with the freezer. Maybe Duck can fix it.
That's a great idea. Hey, Duck! Cool!
Hi. I am not able to respond to your request at this time. It is my day off. To review your options, simply use the keyboard provided.
Classic hologram joke.
It is possible that you have fallen for a classic hologram joke. Option 1. If the toilets are clogged, use a plunger. Option 2. If you have termites, offer them candy instead of furniture. Option 968. If you have floppy pops.
Hey, that's us!
Simply kick the watermelon at the freezer.
Of course! Well, you heard what Ghost Duck said. Start kicking.
Okay.
Yeah!
Duck, are you okay?
Just kidding. I am only a hologram. Bye.
It's fixed!
Ice pops! Well, buddy, ready to put these pops to the test?
You know it!
Oh, yeah. Now that's a brain freeze.
This brain freeze is so good, even my legs feel cold.
Huh, me too.
Guys?
Oh no! Everything's freezing! Ah!
La 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 la.
Ah! Chili piggy bomb! Much too chili bomb! Ah! Bomb now on fire burning! Oh, bomb was hot! Very painful! Now cold! Ah! Piggy caught in vicious cycle!
Doobity pow, my heart goes kapow when I smell. My mic seems to be stuck to my lip. Oh, don't worry, I'll just push it off with my incredibly powerful tongue. Huh? It's stuck. Take this. All right, maybe I can dislodge it with this frying pan.
This is too good to be true! The cabana is frozen solid! Batty, do you know what this means?
That Howie's fleas are going to need tiny sweaters?
Well, yes, but no. Don't you remember the Penguin Claus?
Are you kidding? I'm a penguin expert!
Well, as you undoubtedly already know, any resort that has enough snow to reach the beak of a penguin becomes the property of the penguin whose beak it reaches.
Well, that's just common sense. But what's it got to do with us?
You're gonna dress up like a penguin so that I can take over the banana cabana.
Which type of penguin would you like? Emperor? Rockhopper? Gentle?
The second one. All that really matters is the banana cabana will finally be mine!
And I will get to show off everything I learned on my favorite show, Penguin Place.
Honestly, I've never understood your whole penguin thing.
Howie, my arms are getting tired.
And things keep going fast on my tongue. Nope.
Hello, friendly strangers. I am a penguin, come to claim the banana cabana for Poodle. No, I mean, me, Penguin.
You're here because of the Penguin Claus, aren't you?
Yup.
Well, you win some and you lose some. Here are the keys to the hotel.
Howie, no! Listen, you hotel-grabbing waddle monkey. The snow is nowhere near covering your beak right now.
That's right. It's barely even touching your tushy. Yet.
What are we gonna do?
You guys are all making a big deal out of nothing. Octo and I will just repair the freezer. How hard could it be? Okay, so that didn't work. We really need to find Duck.
But it's his day off. He could be doing just about anything.
Did anyone even think to look for Duck in Duck's shed?
Hey, how about we look for Duck in Duck's shed?
Yeah. A great idea, Howie.
All right, go time.
Did you know a king penguin currently holds the mustard cream pie eating record? Just saying.
Nope, he's not here. But his booger chair is still warm and seems to have been recently re-boogered.
Oh, that must be some kind of clue.
You're right. A clue that...
Let's look for more.
His collection of antique ketchup bottles, bags of used cotton swabs.
Howie, look. The suitcase Duck keeps his suitcase in is empty.
He must be at the airport. Let's go!
Duck!
Wow, am I glad we found you before you got on your flight.
I am not flying anywhere. I am here to watch.
Watch what?
Observe?
But all it does is go around and around.
Yes, but every so often... Pure drama!
Hey, that is pretty cool.
I hate to take you guys away from something so fascinating, but Duck, the freezer is too freezy now.
Oh, then use this.
That's it?
Easy peasy. Ooh, a yellow bag. Very rare.
Awesome! Thanks, Duck. See ya.
Yellow bag. Meet blue bag.
Oh no! The snow's almost halfway to your beak! Why did you have to be such a short penguin?
Actually, did you know I'm above average height for an adult rockhopper?
No, I didn't.
There. That was easy.
I think it might be upside down.
Like that's a problem. Okay, that's a problem.
I can't believe it! It's working! Take that, Penguin Claus! You've gotta be kidding.
Hey, Bunny, what you doing just standing around with this penguin?
No.
Howie, it didn't work. We have to find Duck again.
But where could he be? Everyone, quick! We have to think like Duck!
Okay, this is creepy.
Pardon me, would you mind taking a photograph? Cheese! It is now time for my traditional day off bath. Squeaky clean.
Oh, this is no use!
Oh, come on!
Batty, how do you know my name?
Ah, shh! This is it! We've almost done it! Soon the cabana will be mine!
Once the hotel is all yours, could everyone wear penguin suits?
Oh, looks like we're gonna lose the hotel to this nice and strangely familiar looking penguin fella.
I guess this really is it.
If only there was some way to reach Duck.
Well, it's a bit of a long shot, but there is one other thing I could try, I guess.
Wait, you had a duck signal the whole time?
Why didn't you just use it in the first place?
Hey, Howie.
Ah, Duck! You've gotta save us!
Okay.
What's happening?
It's working!
Poodle, you kinda lost your disguise. And your hotel. That suit was limited edition!
It worked! We get to keep the hotel!
Sweet free can say whatever I want! Meh, I have nothing to say.
Wow, Poodle! You tried to take over their hotel, and now your hotel is engulfed in flames! It's like you don't have any hotel at all!
Irony.